Dear all, a very good morning to everyone. As you watch, I am watching and try to explaining all of the activities going on at the moment in this water park in our city as like a super city at the Dineshpur nearby my house. So it is our first day of swimming in with my children because during the warmly day and humidity is increasing day by day every day, so you can vote. I have already made a plan due to the some of the activities going on, and my children are enjoying a lot by the sliding, by the jumping, by the enjoying a lot by the swimming in this water. So you can vote. Water is very neat and clean, and all over the area is neat and clean, and water is very fresh. And some of the few people, some of the all over the school children has already enjoyed a lot during the summer holiday is going on at the moment, so they are enjoying a lot. I never miss as soon as I get an opportunity, so I am capturing all of the activity at the moment by the standing bank of this pond, this swimming pool, and all of the children are enjoying a lot by the sliding. My children is also enjoying a lot, and it is not a costly. It is only for you have to spend 50 rupees throughout the day, all the day long. There is no time limit to enjoy in this park because this is a new park here, and in this season in this park already started, and my both our children are trying to swim because they have no knowledge about the how can we swim in the water. So it is my thinking it is very necessary to spend their valuable time and learn something new activities, and they always ready to enjoy to do some of the activities. And you can watch they are going outside, and song is continually playing here, and I would like to watch all over the area has already lit and clean, and some of the workers are working. You can watch I am capturing these type of the pond for small kids, so you can watch their mom has already guiding how can they swim, and you can watch a small baby girl keep on sliding, keep on came out by the ladder outside of the pond, and mostly small kids are coming here for to enjoy a lot. And you can watch some of the children are by the jumping, they enjoyed a lot by the dancing, by the singing the song, and enjoyed a lot. So because when see their activity, so you can watch all over the children are enjoying a lot by the jumping. You can watch they frankly without any fear they enjoy, they jumping, they swim, and you can watch why the because they have no any type of the fear in this age, and small kids are also enjoying. You can watch there is no so a small baby has already turn outside and she was drowning in this water, but suddenly I have already bored and their mom has already bored, so you can board. I tried my best to explaining and capturing all of the activities in this park. So this park, there are a number of the people come here day by day due to the increasing of the summer is going on. So most of the people have already made a plan because nowadays it is going to everywhere to place the water park during the summer days, and park is going on, so available place to place in the cities, in areas. So we have to spend some time according to the time. We have to enjoy a lot in our time. There was no any type of the park, water park, and we should not regret, we should not miss. But we used to enjoy a lot. We never forget. But I remember when I see their activity. So I remember my past life, my schooling time, my children life, teenager life. So I feel you can watch by the playing, by the enjoying. They also sliding one by one to each other and enjoyed a lot. So it is a better way to swimming to enjoy. And I also make a plan one day come in this park for enjoy till 1 or 2 hours. But it's my duty. Around 2 o'clock I will go on duty. So that's why I don't want to take interest. But because of my children, I am having to come here for enjoyment a lot. For a while I am capturing all of the activity. So keep on watching. I have already captured all of the activity in my mobile, and I try level my best. As soon as I am watching, I try to explain whatever is going on here. So you can watch some of the ladies, gents, and CJ capturing about their children view activities in their mobile. So water is very neat and clean. Area is also not crowded. So sometimes we have to face many of the crowded, and you can watch. My both are the children are ready to swimming. My younger children is enjoying a lot, and at the moment my elder children, Mr. Chris Verma, is also sliding. So they are enjoying. Thank you. Keep on watching this video till end. Thank you.